Hi, today we're going to be making this cool tabletop hoop, which you can bounce. Oh, missed! And try to make the ball into this hoop. And if you make it in, you get 10 points. Oh, missed it. So to make this tabletop hoop, we're going to need one sheet of printer paper and a ball. So what we need to do first is you need to take the paper and fold it diagonally in half so it aligns with here. And give it a crease up till all the way. Okay, now unfold, rotate it, and take this and fold it here. Okay, now you have an X. So now you're turning it over and fold it so that this point touches this point. Just like that. See? We're making a point in the middle. We're making a straight line in the middle so we can make it into a water bomb base. If you're wondering what a water bomb base is, you just pop the middle. And this is called a water bomb base. What? Okay, now we're not going to make any folds here. Now we're just gonna, without any folds, tuck it in here. Just like this. And you see, when you do this, it doesn't stand. So what we do is we just take it, make these two folds in the middle. And you're done, basically. Now you're just going to open it like this and make sure it's something like this. And you're just going to bounce it so that it goes in the hoop, like that. And you can have your one. Bye. See you guys next time.